Good morning and welcome back. Today we're going to do a short video on writing the equation of a line in slope-intercept form when given the slope and the y-intercept. So this is basically like an introduction to writing the equations of a line. Now, first thing we need to know is the slope-intercept form of a line, which is y equals mx plus b. This is one of the most commonly used famous formulas in algebra, along with the slope formula. So with that being said, two of the letters represent something else. M is one of them. M represents the slope. That's where we get the slope part from. And then the B represents the y-intercept. And that's where we get the intercept from, slope-intercept form. So anytime you write the equation of a line, there's always two things you need. You need the slope and you need the y-intercept. If you have those things, you can write the equation of a line without having to do any work, okay? Now, let's take a look at these examples. Given this slope and the y-intercept of the line, write the equation in slope-intercept form. So for each one of these, I'm just going to label. This is my M. This is my B. So when I write it, it has to be in the form y equals M, which is 2x. And now since B is negative, we're not going to put plus -1. We're just going to write -1. And that's the equation of a line. Let's take a look at number 2. Number 2, we would write that as y equals -3/5x plus 4. The 4 is positive here. The y-intercept is positive, so we write it as plus 4. Number 3, the slope is -3. The y-intercept is positive 2, so we would write y equals -3x plus 2. For number 4, the slope is -1. The y-intercept is positive 7, so we would write y equals -1x plus 7. Now, sometimes if this was a question on a multiple choice question on a test, they would also write this one as y equals -x plus 7. They may not put the 1, okay? Number 5, the slope is 1/4. The y-intercept is 0, so y equals 1/4 x plus 0. But if you write it like that, that's perfectly fine. Your teacher should give you full credit for it. But if it's on a test as an answer choice, it's going to be written as y equals 1/4 x. That's it. Or they may write it as y equals x over 4. Okay? All right, last one, number 6. M is -5/2. B is -3. So y equals -5/2x minus 3. Remember, if the y-intercept is a negative number, we don't put plus minus, we just put minus. All right, that'll conclude our introduction to writing the equation of a line given the slope and the y-intercept.